We load the wheels into the auto blaster, they go in one at a time, and depending on the level of corrosion, they'll be blasted on each side for between 1.5 and 2 minutes. Once the wheel's been blasted, we then move to the prep area. So a blasted wheel will come out looking pretty much like this, the bare alloy. And this is the prep area, where essentially any damage, particularly curb damage, will be taken out using a combination of sanding and grinding tools to remove that damage and prepare them for painting. Once the damage has been removed, we then also need to protect the hub. It's very important the hub doesn't get painted, and also we need to protect the bolt holes as well. The wheels are then hung outside the paint booth, ready to be moved in for painting. So the wheels will then come into the paint booth and they'll be cleaned off with an airline, and then they're ready for painting. And that's where James does his magic. We have a double oven. That means that James can work more efficiently. He can have a set of wheels maybe degassing. Degassing is the initial part of the process where the bare alloy wheel is first heated to drive out, in particular, any moisture and air from that alloy, when it will then come out and can be painted, and there's no risk of the paint getting tiny little bubbles popping out. Once primed, they'll go back into the oven. It just means we can work far more efficiently with 2 ovens operating independently. Once painted, the wheels will then come out to the cooling rack where they will cool until they've cooled sufficiently that they can be retired.